starts with a slide, drag, slide. And on that slide forward, you're going to lift your right foot. Chug and lift into a right basic. Ready, go. Chug and lift and a basic. Then we're going to do 2 3-sound walking steps. Drag, brush, step, drag, brush, step. So let's add that on. Ready, go. Chug and lift and a basic. Drag, brush, step, drag, brush, step. Now we're going to do a pitter patter. Ball, heel, ball, ball, step. Pitter patter. Ready, go. Ball, heel, ball, ball, step. So you can build on a pitter patter by first getting the feel of the bouncing. Ball, heel, ball, ball, heel, ball. The main thing, I guess, to think about is it's a heel strike. You're retracting your foot, so it does not bear weight. And then you're going to jump from there onto your ball. Versus sometimes there's a tendency to want to do something like, or I don't know what else there might be. Just, you want to strike and then jump. So, ball, heel, ball, ball, step. Ball on your left. Ready, go. Ball, heel, ball, ball, step. Ready, go. Ball, heel, ball, ball, step. Ready, go. Ball, heel, ball, ball, step. A little bit faster. Ready, go. Ball, heel, ball, ball, step. Ready, go. Ready, go. Ball, heel, ball, ball, step. Let's add on the 2 walking steps. So let's see. I think we're going to be dragging back on our right. Let's see if that works. Ready, go. Drag, brush, step. Drag, brush, step. Ball, heel, ball, ball, step. So drag back on your right. Ready, go. Drag, brush, step. Drag, brush, step. Ball, heel, ball, ball, step. A little bit faster. Dragging back on your right. Ready, go. Drag, brush, step. Drag, brush, step. Ball, heel, ball, ball, step. Ready, go. Ready, go. A little bit faster than that. Ready, go. 5, 6. Ready, go. Drag, brush, step. Drag, brush, step. Ball, heel, ball, ball, step. Ready, go. Yeah. So let's try to put that whole thing together, and then we're going to do a little basic, little kick, big kick, step, rock, step. 5, 6, ready, go. Chug and lift and a basic. Drag, brush, step, drag, brush, step. Ball, heel, ball, ball, step. Shuffle, step, rock, step. 2 basics, little kick, big kick, step, rock, step. And then you, in Big John, would do Lynn step again. chug and lift and a basic. Ball to ball, ball step. A little bit faster. 5, 6, ready, go. Chug and lift. Triple step, ball to ball, ball step. Chug and lift. Triple step, ball to ball, ball step. And since you repeat LYNN'S step twice, the first time you're ending the little kick, big kick, step, rock, step, you could end step, step instead of rock, step, if that makes it easier to then slide. Let's try 2 LYNN'S steps, kind of not too fast so that you get a chance to follow along. 5, 6, ready, go. Step, step, step. This one we're going to end in a rock step because we would go into a basic if we're doing Big John. A little bit faster. 5, 6, ready, go. Chug and lift.